Hey guys, welcome to Blocksee. On this tutorial session, we're going to be looking at the new Blocksee and Stealthtest by Nameless partnership that allows users to actually deploy Ethereum-based NFTs on a test network prior to deploying things live. And so to do this, we could just hop into one of our existing projects. We'll pop over to the inventory page. This is where we can start to connect and test out the new NFT that we're trying to create. So we'll just go ahead and connect our Metamask wallet. Here we can select, we're now connected. And if we pop into this inventory actions menu, you'll see that we can actually generate a new asset right on the fly. And in order to do this on Stealthtest, it's as easy as selecting the chain you'd like to deploy to. So you'll see that we have Ethereum, Polygon, and now Stealthtest is a private test network option. And if we click this, you'll see that a pop-up comes up the first time you do this that basically prompts you to add the Stealthtest test environment to your wallet. So we'll go ahead and do this. It'll bring up our MetaMask and ask us to approve. As soon as we do that, it'll add the network automatically, making this super easy for anyone using Blocksee that wants to also use us for their Stealthtest account. So we can go ahead and just switch networks. If you don't have a Stealthtest account, we will still be able to provide you test assets, but this obviously just becomes a more useful tool when you're using both platforms. So great for dev teams, for marketers that want to try things out, especially if you're doing like event ticketing or things that you don't want to have go live on a public blockchain prior to testing things out first. So you'll see that once we do that, we also got a notification that says that we'll be updating the balance in our wallet. And so if we go back into our MetaMask, you'll see that it's automatically populated 10 ETH. This is a test account, so this is actually ETH on that test network. It's not real, so don't freak out if you see that, oh, you just got $20,000. That's not necessarily the case. It is just for test environments, and if you go below 5 ETH, then these will start to auto refill, so that way you have all the test crypto that you need to try these things out as you're building out new tools. I hope you guys enjoyed that. It's a really easy way to get started with Stealthtest by Nameless, and using Blocksee has never been easier, and now offering this kind of brand safety tool, we think a lot of people will probably enjoy this as they test out new projects and make sure everything's working properly and the way that they would expect prior to launching on a public blockchain. But yeah, from there you can just go ahead and save the NFT that you had created, and then they'll pop up in your inventory page, and that's it. It's as easy as that. And you can see that this one here says Stealthtest. This was an asset that was already created using that Stealthtest network and one of the Blocksee collections. So really easy to get started. It's something that we offer for free to any of our users. So if you haven't tried it, sign up for Blocksee at blocksee.co and try this out today. Thanks.